Looking for peak performance and show-stopping looks? US Radiator delivers the cooling you need, and Concept One provides the ultimate pulley system. Level up your ride. And hey, for more awesome builds and insights, hit that subscribe button for ScottieDTV. What about that? 8-ball 33. I don't even know if there's anything on it. That is 1933. This thing is all custom. Hand-built box frame. All steel. 41 Ford quick change there in the back. The cowl is from a 36 Ford Woody. The dash, a 36 Ford Coupe. The roof, a 41 Chevy truck. The trunk, a 74 VW roof. The quarter panels are part 1957 Chevy roof skin and 62 VW front fenders. How crazy is this thing? The doors are 57 Chevy roof skins. The interior is custom, and the guy that owns it is as tall as I am. He's skinny, not quite as robust as I am. But he's skinny and he's 6 foot tall. So for everybody that says, yeah, well, it's uncomfortable, you can't drive it, he looked pretty comfortable in it. And if he didn't look comfortable, he looked cool. So that's really all this thing is about, is being cool, looking cool, and wowing people. I'd ride in it. I'd be glad to ride in it. And this was at the 2025 Pigeon Forge Rod Run. This is the only one that I shot a feature on. It's got a 265 V8. The front wheels, from what I can tell, the front wheels are hand-built, 2-inch wide by 16-inch tall, and the backs are 4-inch wide by 16-inch tall Ford Steelies. Like I said, that's got a 41 Ford quick change. Not much room, but man, it rolled in. You saw the video in the beginning. It drove out the back door, and I had heard that it drove in the back door. I wasn't there when it came in, but no doubt about it, that's how it got there. And I just thought it was cool. I liked the color of it. I liked the creativity of it. There was another 33 Ford, or there was a 33 Ford sitting a few cars down from this. You can see some similarities, but as you can tell from the parts list, there really isn't anything. Maybe the side panels, maybe, I don't know. I didn't exactly find out why. Now, I can tell you, this inspiration has been around forever. Like back in 2010, PPG put out a poster with this little hot rod sitting in this overhang at a gas station. And the guy that built this saw that poster and has just had a dying desire ever since then to build something similar. So there you go. Now I did talk to him as the rod run was coming to an end, and they are going to be at Cruise the Coast at the convention center for the swap meet. So there you go from the Pigeon Forge Rod Run. One very cool custom car, 8-ball 33. Hope you all have enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.